Are you ready to double your income with a simple, proven system? Look no further. Introducing America's #1 residual income system. A step-by-step plan designed to help you create real financial freedom, all from the comfort of your home. This system has generated hundreds of success stories. And now it's your turn to be the next. Want proof? Call the 24/7 Overview Testimonial and Order line at 1-8006-320-739 and hear how this program is transforming lives. Use 5419 to have your welcome kit rushed to you. To get started, visit incomedouble.com/5419go. No prior experience is needed. If you can mail postcards or flyers, you can win big from home. Just take action today and unlock your earning potential. But wait. This is your opportunity to achieve the financial success you've always dreamed of. Join now by visiting incomedouble.com/5419go. Ready to make the change? The path to your financial freedom starts right here.